Grade 8 kids. This is Teacher Marie, and I welcome you to another Science 8 lessons in your Quarter 4 Module 1 topic. Are you ready? Today, we are on our Part 3 topic on digestive system. Are you excited for the continuation? If you do, stay with me and I am going to teach you about proper nutrition, digestive diseases, and ways on how to prevent it. Come on! But before we jump on our lesson proper, let us look back on the topics we discussed a week ago. I suggest you get a pen and paper for our quick remembering drill. Get ready. Come, read along with me. Here we go. Let's look back. Digestive system is responsible in digesting the food that we eat in a process known as digestion. Mechanical digestion is the breaking down of food into smaller pieces through chewing. Can you remember the part of our digestive system which the mechanical digestion takes place? Write it down. Another type of digestion is the chemical digestion. It is when the food is broken down with the help of the chemicals and other substances to liquefy. Can you remember the part of our digestive system which the chemical digestion takes place? Very good! After our video lesson, you are expected to discuss nutrient deficiency, common digestive diseases, and ways to prevent such diseases. Another performance test target is for you to be able to create a food fact investigation using the local objects at home. We often heard food is life when we talk about food. Do you agree with me? Of course you do. So why do you think we really need food? Is it really essential to sustain life? How are the nutrients being used up in the body? These are the questions we are about to find out as we go along. Let us check how much you already know. On page 4 of your Science 8 Module 1, answer the 5 questions asked. You are encouraged to answer it with full honesty for me to check how far you already know about our topic. Remember, honesty is the best policy. What is nutrient deficiency? Nutrient deficiency is a condition when our body does not receive or absorb necessary amounts of nutrients from the food we eat. This also means that the vitamins and minerals in our body is not enough to let it function properly. These are the common nutrient deficiency diseases. Number 1, iron deficiency. This happens when there is insufficient iron in the body. It is also called anemia. Number 2 is the zinc deficiency. This occurs when the body does not receive adequate amount of zinc to sustain its function. Next is your iodine deficiency. It happens when the body does not have accurate amount of iodine. The body mostly obtains iodine from the diet. This may result into metabolic problems such as goiter and others. Now, for your activity time, turn your Science 8 Quarter 4 Module 1 to page 7 and answer the activities 1 and 2. You may write your answer in a one whole sheet of paper and enclose it inside your module. This part of the video lesson, Let us discuss about common digestive diseases. Have you experienced tummy pain? Tell me a story about your experience in your learning feedback form, and I will be happy to read your story and learn how you and your parents help you get through it. These are the common digestive diseases. Are you familiar with what is happening on the cartoon? He is experiencing constipation. This refers to infrequent bowel movement and the stool is difficult to pass. Sometimes it can happen for several weeks or even longer. This is the cause of the low fiber intake in our diet. Next one is a diarrhea. It happens when loose or watery stool be present for days. It is a result by the body's inability to absorb food. Sometimes, when we ingest contaminated food or water, we experience diarrhea. Lastly, we have peptic ulcer. It refers to the painful sores inside the lining of the stomach or in the upper part of the small intestines. These sores are slow to heal and can even keep returning. That's why it is very important for you kids to take your food on time. As the old saying says, prevention is better than cure. There are ways on how we can prevent such digestive diseases rather than merely curing it. How are we can prevent digestive system diseases? Here are some of the ways to deal with it. Drink lots of water. Water helps cleanse the entire digestive system. It also plays a role in efficiently helping the absorption of nutrients during digestion. Also, it nourishes and energizes the cells in the digestive tract. Bottoms up, everyone! Maintain a healthy diet. This means that being aware of the food you eat plays an essential role to have a healthy digestive system. Eating foods rich in fiber like vegetables and fruits help digestion. Remember, the food is where we get nutrients and food means healthy digestive system. Feed your body what it needs to be healthy. Next is we should eat mindfully. This means paying attention on eating the food and slowly chewing and eating it. This is important for this is the part where we can break down properly the food into smaller pieces that help the digestion. Of course, exercise regularly. It promotes healthy digestion. It keeps the muscles of the digestive system moving that allows the food to pass through easily and quickly. It also helps the undigested materials be easily excreted from the body. These remind us that a healthier digestive system means a healthier you, and preventing such diseases is better than curing it. Simple ways create a great impact in our body that makes us live our lives better. Remember, happy tummy means healthy body. Let's sum this up. Today, we tackled about the nutrient deficiency, also known as nutritional deficiency. It is when our body does not receive and absorb necessary amounts of nutrients from the food we eat. Common nutrient deficiencies are iron, zinc, and iodine. We discussed also about the common digestive diseases, and the common digestive diseases are constipation, diarrhea, and peptic ulcers. Prevention also is better than cure. And some ways to prevent digestive system diseases are drinking lots of water, maintaining healthy diet, eating mindfully, and exercising regularly. Let us look back on how far we had gone today. Have we attained our objectives as the beginning of our lesson? Let's check. Today, we discussed about nutrient deficiency. We discussed also about the different digestive system diseases, and we talked about ways on how to prevent digestive system diseases. We also created a food fact investigation stated on the activity 7 of your module. This may help you familiarize and choose the right and healthy food you should eat. For your assignment, complete your food fact investigation and list down 10 healthy foods that you must eat and 10 unhealthy foods that you must avoid. Indicate also on the list the nutrients that are found in the food of why we must eat or avoid that certain kind of food. Write it down on a one-whole short bond paper and submit it along with your answered modules on the next distribution. This is the end of our Quarter 4 Module 1 topic. I hope you learned something today. Are you having fun learning? Let me know by filling up the feedback form I enclosed in your module kit. You may also write your suggestions, and if you are having a hard time doing the activity, I will be glad to help you. If you have any more questions, concerns, or clarifications, please message me through our official Facebook Messenger, or you may call me through this number.